Even when I'm outside, it's hard to be grounded. And that's why I'm thrilled that Earth and Moon sent me their grounding mat for review. Let's get into what makes this so incredible. Now, this exceptional mat comes in this reusable tube, and this can ground you wherever you are, especially indoors. When you're on your bed, on your couch, maybe you put this under your desk so your feet are grounded as you work. And it's this absolutely beautiful, very soft grounding mat, and you can see the gorgeous stitching all the way through. The bottom is not exactly non-slip, but it's definitely a material that's not going to slide easily. And the top is this very soft faux leather. And to ground it, you simply plug the coil into a grounded outlet and plug it in here. It comes with a tool to test that your outlet is correctly grounded. And then it has its grounded plug and its special cord that just pops right in, and you're ready to go. And Earth Moon even provides a lovely lava stone grounding bracelet that you can wear as you're on the mat. When I first stepped on it, I didn't notice a thing, but as I continued to keep my feet on it, it feels almost tingly, just a little bit. So if you don't feel grounded in your day-to-day life and want something in your home that will help ground you, this Earth and Moon grounding mat is a lovely addition.